Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share a story about something we all carry inside us, a dream. Not a loud, magical dream that appears overnight, but a quiet dream, one that grows slowly, step by step. If you are learning English and also working toward your own goals, this story is especially for you. Let's begin. I used to believe that dreams needed big actions. I thought success came from one powerful moment, a huge opportunity, a bold decision, or sudden luck. But my life taught me something very different. My dream was simple. I wanted to build something meaningful. I didn't know exactly how it would look, but I knew I wanted to create, to grow, and to feel proud of what I was building. At the beginning, I felt excited. I made plans. I wrote goals in a notebook. I imagined the future version of myself, confident, successful, and happy. But after a few weeks, reality arrived. Progress was slow. Results were invisible. Nobody noticed my effort. Some days, I even questioned myself. Is this worth it? Am I good enough? Maybe this dream is too big for me. There were mornings when I didn't feel motivated at all. The dream felt far away, like a mountain hidden in the clouds. I couldn't see the top, only the long path ahead. One day, I decided to change my thinking. Instead of asking, how will I reach the top? I asked, what small step can I take today? That question changed everything. I stopped focusing on the whole mountain. I focused on one step. Just one. Some days, my step was very small. I read 10 pages of a book. I practiced for 20 minutes. I improved one tiny skill. It didn't feel impressive. It didn't look dramatic. But I did it again the next day. And the next. I began to understand something powerful. Small efforts are not small at all. They are seeds. And seeds need time. There were still difficult days. Days when I felt tired. Days when I made mistakes. Days when progress felt invisible. But instead of quitting, I told myself, just show up today. Not perfectly. Not brilliantly. Just consistently. Slowly, something began to change, not outside, but inside. I felt stronger. More disciplined. More patient. I realized that my dream was not only about reaching a destination. It was shaping me. Each small effort was building not only my goal, but also my character. Months passed. One evening, I looked back at where I started. I noticed something surprising. The mountain that once looked impossible now looked smaller. Not because it had changed, but because I had grown. The small daily efforts had quietly transformed me. I understood then, dreams are not built in giant leaps, they are built in ordinary days. In quiet mornings. In small, repeated actions that nobody celebrates. Many people wait for motivation. I used to wait too. But motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like the weather. Discipline is different. Small effort is different. Even when I felt unsure, I kept going. Even when nobody applauded, I kept building. Even when progress was slow, I trusted the process. And one day, I saw real results. Not overnight success. Not a dramatic breakthrough. But steady, undeniable progress. The dream that once felt far away was now part of my daily life. I learned that greatness is not loud. It is quiet. It is built in moments when nobody is watching. It grows when I choose effort over excuses. Now, whenever I feel overwhelmed by a new goal, I remember this lesson. Don't focus on the entire journey. Focus on today's small effort. Because small efforts, repeated every day, become something powerful. They become habits. Habits become results. Results become reality. And that is how a dream is built. Thank you so much for listening to this story. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more English stories for adults. See you in the next story.